YouTube! We got Stray Kids in a long-ass open mic video. I'm not even sure what the name of this open mic is because I guess it's Dingo Music. That's the name of the channel that it's from, is Dingo Music. But Killing Voice. Okay, so I guess the Killing Voice open mic. I didn't know, but you know, Stray Kids. Yeah, before we get into this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment some videos I got. What the fuck did I just say? Comment some videos you want me to react to down below. If y'all have any suggestions at all, doesn't matter the group, you feel me? We do a lot of different groups, a lot of different styles, and a lot of different genres. You know, it really doesn't matter. Rappers do killing verse. Oh, okay, I got you. Dingo Killing Voice. Killing Voice. Okay. Yeah, I guess I can't read. You know what? Fuck the intro. Let's just get into the video. Like, comment, subscribe. Hit the hype button. Yeah, let's get into it.
Let's go!
Actually, I think I might make this one small.
이곳이 킬링보이스란 말인가?
아니요,
Trying to hurry up and do this.
Killing voice.
예.
드디어 왔네요.
야야야야야야. 좋아요. 인사 한번 드릴게요. 네, 인사드리겠습니다. 하나, 둘, 셋.
안녕하세요, 스트레이키즈입니다.
스트레이키즈입니다.
네, 저희 스트레이키즈가 드디어 킬링보이스에 나오게 됐습니다.
요.
저희가 또 컴백을 했는데요. 킬링보이스와 저희 컴백
Why is the
모두 많은
this
관심
so
부탁드립니다.
small?
예스. 부탁드립니다. 자, 멤버들 준비됐나요?
예, Let's go.
오케이.
주세요. Turn up. 몇 분이세요? 10명이요. 네, 손님. 어서 오십시오. 이 가게는 참 메뉴가 고르기도 쉽죠. 시켜도 오감은 만족하지. 다시 지나가던 나그네 비둘기까지 같이 가마 끝까지. 귀한 소스 맛으로처럼 의미에 걸리기만 해봐. 티색의 바람의 머리처럼 아마도 자극적인 거.
This definitely sounds like an anime opening. This is tough.
I like this.
Yeah, 100% sounds like anime. 100%.
누구도 따라할 수 없는 영웅 시작부터 다 우리 거 잠깐 돌아간다 해도
Felix Han, Bang Chen, Lee No, Sangmin, Ian, Hyungjin, Sungmin. Okay. Okay.
결국 다시 찾게 돼 줄기가 쉽지가 않네 지금부터
Wait, which is the one that I reacted to dancing was Hyungjin. That's this guy right here. And if I'm not mistaken, he's the one that was dancing in the Mafia style video that I reacted to a few days ago.
이게 우리 이게 우리
Bang.
저기 보면 저 맨 끝에 완전 귀여운 친구 한 명 데리고 왔는데 그 친구 목소리 완전 죽이니까.
Oh, I just realized this is the names of the songs. I thought that when I seen that before, that was just it popping up. I thought this happened in 2020, but that's just the name of the song and when the year the song came out. Okay.
예쁘게 봐줘.
Let's go.
정상인 척 다들 힘좀 빼 짓고 있는 미소들은 say like 풀리면 다 똑같지 너는 내면 so good
Wait. They did a song in Tower of God? What fucking song? Hold on. What song? Tower of God is literally one of my favorite animes. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Hold on. I gotta find it. I gotta figure out what fucking song this is. Oh my gosh, I can't spell. Stray Kids, Tower of God. Hold on, alright. Oh, they did an opening? Was it an opening?
Can you tell it don't come my bill?
I'll react to that. I'll react to that another time. Let's get back to the video. Okay. I'll react to that another time. You only watched the first season? What the fuck are you on? Watch season 2. Watch season 2. Watch season 2. Don't play with me. Watch season 2. Watch it. This show is amazing.
눈 한 번 깜빡이고 뺑 다시 세상이 정한 정상인 코스프레 준비 파우 Mashup, mind blow, 정신은 backup Prototype 내 속엔 언제나 freaking monster 유행 같은 친절함은 처리지
Alright, what the fuck you mean you got bored? What do you mean you got bored? Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't see, I say this is one of my favorite shows and then you get to saying it's boring and shit. I don't like that very much. You get bored, read it, then watch it! Watch the show. It's on Crunchyroll. You can watch Crunchyroll for free with ads, I think. I don't remember if it's still like that or not.
내 통수에 다시 시원하게 욕해도 다 먹겨 Green 순진하게만 보다가 크게 다친 호의가 계속되면 걸린 줄 아네 toxic 이러니 돌지 Warning
Maniac 나서 빠진 것처럼 미쳐 Maniac
What the fuck was that? What the fuck was that?
Maniac 나서 빠진 것처럼 미쳐 Maniac
핑핑 돌아버리겠지
Why the fuck his voice so deep? Nigga said like what the fuck? That's not your line. That's not his regular voice. That's not his regular voice. That is not his regular voice. There's no way. What the fuck?
나서 빠진 것처럼 미쳐 Maniac
핑핑 돌아버리겠지
Maniac Frankenstein처럼 너는 Maniac Maniac
Maniac 나서 빠진 것처럼 웃어 Maniac 핑핑 돌아버리겠지 Maniac 비정상 투성이 진짜 Maniac Maniac
Looks like an angel sounds like a demon. Hey, you know what they say? Don't judge a book by its cover. Oh, they got case 143.
이게 말이야 사건 발생 잊지 못할 사건 치명적인 매력에 홀랐단 빠져 자꾸 나를 자극하는 넌 출처감는 문제야 고백할 숙제야 내 남편의 boyfriend 너를 대하는 태도 거기 타놓았어 no cap 얘기하고 싶은 말로 가득 찼어 my case 완벽한 표현 말해도 부족해
Got me losing patience 걷 잡을 수 없는 emotion Don't let any motion I never feel the right 수많은 감정이 충돌해 Wait Rolling in the deep inside my head You got me bad
문장이 제일
신속하게 내게로
Is Young Chk or is this manufactured memory? What? Huh? It's not a question for me. That's not a question for me at all.
I'm moving on my way
Let's go.
Why do I keep getting attracted? 좌석같이 끌려가 I cannot explain this reaction 이거밖에 1, 4, 3
Why do I keep getting attracted 네 모습만 떠올라 I cannot explain this emotion 1, 4, 3 I love you
내 삶은 밑바닥 난 떨어지
Okay, this is Hellevator 2017. We going that far back?
어두운 터널
Wait, is that the name of the song or the album? Or both?
속을 걷고 있어 내게 잔인하고 두려운 나를
Nah, that nigga, he got some pipes on him, boys.
아무것도 없어 날 위한 속이는 걱정 하나 없이 차가운 말들 뿐 어린 꿈은 좀 접어 포기란 말들이 내 길을 따라가며 절망감만
Yo, this is their first song? What? What? Now I gotta react to it. I gotta react to it by itself.
난 하늘을 주변 사람의 손으로 가린다 날 살리기도 하며 버티고 있어 날 째려보는 다가온 시선들이 시성하지 않을 만한 자들 봤자 누군가의 광대로 바뀌게 남을 넌 가수라는 지금은 집어쳐 그 말을 들으면 약히 저만 가능해 자신을 밀쳐
난 떨어지
They had 9 members?
속을 걷고 있어 내게 잔인하고 두려운 나를 홀로 버티고 있어 내밀어도 날 잡아줄 사람은 아무도 없어 내 아픈 내 눈물을 타고 위로 빠져나가고 있어 I'm on a Hellevator
And he had braces? So I was in high school back in 2017 too. I was in I think I was in 10th grade in 2017. Not mistaken. I was either in 10th or 11th grade in 2017. I don't remember. No, I was in 10th. I was in 10th. I graduated in 2020.
I'm on an elevator.
You was in the 5th or 6th grade in 2017? You're 19? What the fuck? What the fuck? Niggas got me feeling old. What the hell? God damn. Damn, Survivor show how they old with her debut. Ooh, I wanna watch that.
I'm on a Hellevator.
네, 여러분 이런
I turned 24 this
칙칙봉이
year.
아니고 칙칙봉입니다.
Chk Chk Boom. 정중하게 세게 저 점점
This is
천천히
2024.
빠른 게
All the mother niggas lame and you know it now.
What's up this life is regular 승리를 너무 과시같이 배불러 할겸 먹기 때문에 둘러 우리 노쇼로 나머지
Yo, old head is crazy. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Old head is fucking crazy. That's crazy.
전부 Neil Armstrong yeah.
되는 건 없이 I do it.
Do it.
Put on my trigger, I can't dance. I'm a papa.
Wait, this was in Deadpool and Wolverine? I don't remember. See, now I gotta go back and watch it again so I can hear it. I don't remember
Take a
this
shot,
in
take
Deadpool.
your time. I goes on my one night sniping.
Filling on my truck, yeah, you want that ride? Boom! Hit you like a truck, I'ma make you fly.
Ramos, I know that you want it. Lobos, we cannot stop pounding. Ratatata, I'ma make it. Boom, boom, Chk Chk Boom, boom. Vamos, I know that you want it. Boom, chaos is so catastrophic. Boom.
Oh no, they appeared in the music video. Okay, I thought it was in the movie. I was about to go rewatch that movie just to hear it. Be like, oh, I know that song.
Ratatata, I'ma make it. Boom, boom, Chk Chk Boom. Give me the pago drum, my bullet. Goes tang tang tang. 이건 la vida loca. 이건 good shot shot shot.
Oh, so they did perform a goddamn song for the damn movie. So now I do gotta. Alright, you know what I know what I'm gonna do.
The pago drum, my bullet. Goes tang tang tang. 이건 la vida loca. Boom, boom, Chk Chk Boom, boom. 오창빈이다.
아니라니까요 이 노래를 듣고 제 이름을 오해하지 마시기 바랍니다 제
What's your
이름은
name?
소리를 지르는 내가 서창빈이란테
Hold on, what he said? What he said?
오해하지 마시기 바랍니다 제
What's your
이름은
name?
소리를 지르는 내가 서창빈이
Yo, what? What did he say? I know I ain't the only one that heard that. Tell the nigga son. He tried to slide that in there. He tried to slide that in there like we wasn't gonna hear that. I heard that shit.
내 자리는 내가 취한다 태도는 터프하게 트랙을 폭주하는
Yo, honestly, I'm sorry to keep pausing. It's so funny how many words, like, in other languages sound like nigga. It's hilarious. Because when you hear it, then you could just be like, you know what I'm saying?
What's up? Hey!
마친 허리케인이 뒤집어진 우산 에이 잔소리꾼이 치워 우리 좋구나
나무꾼은 어서 돌아가시오 여긴 나무랄 데가 없네 납작해질 리 없는 콧대고 핏대와 함께 세운 주택 훨씬 더 웅장하게 내는 경적 소리
Here they come 악당 무리의 뜨거운 피가 돌아온 놈에 번져 소문난 꾼들의 모임에 쏟아지는 눈빛 좀 freezing cold But I know we'll burn forever 해보라는 태도는 여전히 할 말은 내뱉 퇴 소리꿈
Yo, their lips be so pink that it looks like they got on like lip gloss. It's crazy. Like, that's crazy. Like, imagine they had on some Vaseline. Like, it would look like they got straight lip gloss on. Oh, so they do got makeup on. It's not their regular faces. I'm telling you. They're catfishing me. They're literally catfishing me. That's crazy.
Man, I'm not sorry, I'm dirty
I apologize, YouTube. The Twitch is currently in ad jail. So because they're in ad jail, that means we get to have our daily conversation. Because, you feel me? But while they're waiting for the ads, I do hope that you guys are enjoying the video and just enjoying the content overall. You know, I'm hoping a lot of you are coming back from older videos. You know, they're not just watching one video and moving on and forgetting about me for the rest of y'all lives. You know, I do hope that you guys are returning. If you guys are new, definitely continue to return. We upload videos every single day, and I'm not going to sit here and say we may not miss a day or two. I'm human. I got a life outside of this. Hopefully this can become my main life. You know, that's really what I'm going and aiming towards. I'm trying to get quality content out for you guys, and I'm also wanting to get content. I'm thinking of ways to make content in this realm that's not just reaction videos. So, you know, if you guys have any ideas of, you know, things that I can do that you guys will be interested in, like, you know, I do want to start vlogging soon, like, you know, like a daily or weekly update vlog, or like, you know, what's going on with me, you know, catching up with the channel, and, you know, just the overall, so you guys can really get to know me a lot more as a person. And, you know, hopefully you guys can continue to, you know, return for future uploads and maybe even come back to the stream. And seems like Twitch is back, so let's get back into the video.
쾅쾅 천둥 빠라바바 울음 타고 두둥 빠라바바 함께 쟁쟁한 꿈 Bang 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 boom Man, I'm not sorry, I'm dirty Keep on talking when I'm playing by the rules
Yo, I refuse to believe that that's his real voice. It had to have been manufactured or something. Cause what the fuck? He does not look how he sounds at all.
Welcome to 킬링보이스 ASMR
Super Bowl.
Let's go Open wide, have a wine, make it mine all the time.
Counting stars, I feel the light Open my eyes in the darkest night
Why he looking deep in his soul like that?
Feel the light Open
Like, why he just staring in his eyes like that? Bro, that motherfucker's just like, why is he doing that? What the hell?
the darkest night I know that it's true
Some love.
Yeah, you know it's all for you Yeah, yeah So it okay, just the way you want it So it okay for the days to come If there's a drought, never doubt Cause the clouds are like crowds behind us Yeah, we bring the rain
Go.
Finger licking, yeah, we cooking up a Super Bowl In the kitchen, measuring irresistible Open wide, have a wine
Like, every time I hear him, it just creeps me out. It's like the hairs in the back of my neck stand up.
Get mine all the time Finger licking, yeah, we cooking up a Super Bowl In the kitchen, Michelin, irresistible Feeling prime, state of mind Finger licking, yeah, we cooking up a Super Bowl
Oh, that's it? I thought it was gonna keep going. My bad.
이번에는 스트레이키즈의 쓰레기 3중
This is
세트입니다.
X. This came out 2020.
바람핀 놈.
미친놈이네. 알마다 털어놓은 상태 서로 안 맞았던 걸로 포장해.
사실 너를 만나는 중에 있던 사람들
I can't like his voice is gonna get me every time.
무슨 일이냐고 물어보는 너의 목소리를 들었을
Yo,
때
what song is I'm saying what song is like it doesn't say it right there in the corner, but this shit sounds fire. What the fuck?
절레절레 신경 쓰지 말라고 말했었던 난데 그 말을 받은 내가 더 신경 쓰여 왜
다 깨져버린 추억들 속에 널 찾아 붙잡아.
Able to just keep singing when you got this nigga breathing down your fucking neck. I don't understand. I would have been crying laughing. This nigga is in love. Like, what the hell?
Let's go. 그때 내가 미쳐 돌아나봐 넘는 시간 난 자신이 없는데 결국 너밖에 없는데 잠깐 미쳤던 거야. 그때 내가 미쳐 몰아나봐
Who's got 7? Is that a group or just one person?
넘는 공간 사색에 들어갔을 뭘 믿고 그랬을까 미친 놈이었던 날 욕해도 좋아 맘껏 욕해
다양한 친구가 와 정도가 될 때까지 화가 풀려 다시 돌아갈 수 있다면.
So I'm guessing JYP is the company. And okay, that makes sense.
돌아갈 수 있다면.
다음 곡은요?
Yeah, this song is about very bad situation.
Oh my gosh. No, that's
열좀
not
시켜야겠는데
Yeah, this 100% sounds like an anime opening.
이거?
That's very bad.
Let's go zoom in.
시계바늘 소리가 티키타카 침묵 속에 어색한 기류가 흘러 가진 이유로 내게 찔러있는 눈빛 속에 아주 얕은 맘으로 비켜주네 다른 말을 꺼냈을 때 슬픔이라기보단 누련하게 돌게 That's you, thank you right now
Yeah, we gonna break
What do you do to haunt you? What the fuck?
together 서로의 같이 매일매일 뒤를 불태워 이제 모두 나김없이 벌어도 우리는 왜 없어 그저 속 타는 마음을 지켜
이제 내게 신경 꺼 추억 속 여기서 그만 밖으로 나가줘 그래 너도 남김없이 버려다 다시는 왜 없게 일단 속 타는 마음 좀 식혀
이번엔 썸만 타고 싶은 놈.
안 되지 그거
이상한 놈이네.
너무해 이 관계를 정의하지 마 사랑은 모르겠고 좋아하는
This
사이
song, I
간단히
like
정서가
it.
실선의 차이 알잖아 지금 내가 말하는 vibe
When did this shit come out? This shit came out 8 months ago, so last year? Right? 2025?
넘고 싶은 넌 근데 나는 너만 지금 널 좋을 거니까 서로 부담을 덜고 지금처럼 그런 상처도 덜을 테니까
춤추자
We love this feeling baby cause it's enough Keep it this way We love this feeling baby
So he stepped down to be a pastor and political figure.
I like it. I like it like it. I like it.
What the fuck?
I like it like it.
Hit that
I
shit.
like
He
it.
was like saying,
I like it like it.
what the hell?
이제 쓰레기 끝난 거야?
들어와.
끝났어?
이제 들어와.
네, 이 구역은
He said turn
방해전
up.
출입 금지입니다 출입하고 싶다면 스테이가 되세요
You wanna come in?
야채워 이제 들어가 저번 거니까 심 이젠 본편으로 포이래 감당한 데 빠지지 맞아요
해고하기 여차 참 뻐근한 거다 풀고 마음대로 제가 누구라도 너를 끄고 눈 밝혀라 bounce.
This is the last music. This was back in 2020. And this is the last one you've watched? You're that late?
눌렀던 행을 끌어 모아 bounce.
달라 보여 모든 게 완벽해지는 이 순간 두 눈앞에서 펼쳐지는 판타지
He said, fuck this, I'm going to XG. Fuck it, I'm done with this shit. What is XG?
이 목소리가
터지도록 외쳐 넘치 할 시간 따윈 없어
Everyone has no questions.
Hey!
That shit.
Hey! 관계자의 출입 금지 여긴 backdoor 관계자의 출입 금지는 수락 가능해요 스테이 위에 출입 금지 여긴 backdoor 관계자를 쓰고 싶다면 Yeah!
Come back to us, Kami. We miss you. Be another. What are they fans called? Stray Kid fans? Are they called lost ones? They're called stays? Okay, come back to us, Kami. Join the stays again. We miss you. Oh, you make the stray kid stay. That's the thing, okay. But you didn't stay! You didn't stay, you left! You left, Kami! What's going on?
지아나.
여러분들 거친 청구 속에 뛰어든 여러분들은 제대로 듣고
산을 넘어 산 넘어 강을 넘어 강 넘어 산을 넘어 섬의 강을 넘어 바다 넘어기 도점 Let's go!
Let's go!
Let's go.
힘들지 않아 거친 정글 속에 뛰어든 건 아니까 okay going higher 다음 도시 속에 빌딩들 내려보며 fly all day
Let's go!
하여 저 위로 갈래 하여 더 높이 날래 하여 저 위로 갈래 하여 더 높이 날래
처음이라서 방법이 없어 처음이라서 당돌해봤어 처음이란 게 무기가 됐어 처음이라서 다 독 벗어 어디 한번 깔아봐라 결국에는 살아남아 어떻게든 살아남아 나는 나라 엄청 따위 깔아봤지 난 더 세게 밟아 타고 나는 모두
Everybody Stray Kids Woo!
힘들지 않아 거칠 정글 속에 뛰어든 건 아니까 I'm okay 하얀 도시 속에 빌딩들 내려보며 fly all day
저희 물 좀 마실까요?
Yeah, I used to love music like that back in the day. Like, I remember when that style of music, I don't remember the genre of it right now, but that shit used to rule the world, bruh. Everything, every artist was hopping on that wave. EDM, yes, EDM. Yo, EDM used to rule the fucking world, bruh. Everybody was getting on the EDM wave. Every rapper, every pop singer, everybody. It was all over the radio. Like, that's all you heard.
Gave up my youth for my future
Listen to that song! Hold on, I gotta react to that shit. I didn't know they did a song with Lisa, the fucking GOAT. Lisa! The fucking GOAT, Lisa! Oh my god, I gotta hear that shit.
I just want to rise up stronger
Right now 지었던 긴 bam 날 이발 가온다 탐이 다가온다 I will miss it
Now or never
많은 걸 포기했지 다들 말하는 정신이라면 수많은 효를 차원에 지난 만만하게 봤다면
결국 영광의 광석 더 단단해지는 금속
Okay, which one's Han again? Which one's Han again?
견고하게 굳건하게 다신 없을 순간의 끝을 향해
I know it's gonna be like
Okay, I'm guessing this is Han. I'm guessing that's Han. Second from left.
Cause everyone keeps turning me down.
No.
Countless
Yeah,
new
this is I'm bugging.
surroundings. Cold eyes keep looking me down. Still in the crowd, alien of the town.
The one that sings the high note.
And they want me to give up right now. They're making me laugh so loud. The demon they're hiding inside.
1, 2, 3
When we get to live a life I know I'm ready to take that chance. No matter what they tell me I cannot explain this feeling. Yeah, the path
gotta. Okay, this is how right here, yo. I gotta react to this song. What the fuck? This shit sounds hard. Yo, we definitely react to the song. I'm gonna react to that shit before I go to sleep tonight. Or I don't know, maybe I should do it on stream. I don't know, maybe I'll do it next stream. I don't know, I'll figure out what, but I'm doing it. I gotta do it. Lisa, yo, y'all don't understand how fucking, I love Lisa, yo. And I'm not gonna say it and act like I know like a million Lisa songs, but every anime opening that's like one of my favorite anime openings is a fucking Lisa, the GOAT of anime fucking songs. Like, I fucking love Lisa, yo. She's the fucking GOAT.
I love this feeling down on this road, calling the social path.
Social path.
Yeah.
형님 여기 어디? 어디입니까?
I might even try to do it before I get on the stream.
여기가 바로 여기서 특별시 수많은 기적거리 느꼈지 가껴진 별들 사이도 오르는
별난 같은 우성이 변함없지 번화하는 거리
거리거리마다 거리적거리는 girl
clean it up, get back.
Yo, am I bugging or this? I don't know if y'all ever watched Gachi Akuda. This sound like, this give me Gachi Akuda vibes. Like, this could be on the Gachi Akuda soundtrack. No funny shit.
검은 거지르르 텅텅 깡통 kick it
Swimming and spinning on super road luxurious like
Yeah, isn't Jason the Ween Filipino? You haven't watched? Yo, you gotta watch Gachi Akuda. Gachi Akuda is hard. Vietnamese, yeah, but yeah, I know who Jason. I'm gonna be honest with you, I've never watched a Jason the Ween stream. Like, I've seen a few clips of him here and there, but I know who he is.
I'm in S class, best of the best on first class. I'm up above the world so high, I'll be the shining day and night. They wonder how my spotlight is so bright.
counting stars 별의
Oh, really? Yo, I want to be in a music video so bad. Like, I don't know why. Like, I want to be in the music video. Like, somebody, like, imagine I get into one of their, like, any of these Korean, K-pop, J-pop, P-pop, or whatever group music videos. Yo, that would be so fire, dude.
That's me 별 in my park 빛깔 번쩍 클래스는 특 빛깔 번쩍 빛이 번쩍 좀비 나는
Alright, what's next?
자,
Sorry, what's next?
Oh my gosh.
야 신곡이다
I'm pretty sure that's like the latest song that we've gotten so far. I don't know if I just wasn't paying attention, but I don't think they played any 2025 tracks and outside of this one so far. But I could be wrong. That's not paying attention.
아 노래 좋다 이거
Hip hip, hey! Hip hip, hey! Hip hip, hip hip.
We are moving forward with maximum power and we're gonna dominate popping 장식하지 빙은 stopping 경치는 수많은 topic No one, nobody can stop me 수많은 너
He's a fluke. He's a fluke. His voice didn't sound that deep there. He's a fucking fluke. I'm telling you. It's not real. I will not be gaslit to fucking think that he sounds like a goddamn demon. Alright? His voice didn't sound that deep there. Look,
We
listen,
maximum power and we're gonna dominate popping 장식하지 빙은 stopping 경치는 수많은 topic
Alright, now niggas wanna have fucking ads and shit. Now we gotta wait. See, that's the perks of doing a long ass video. This video has been 34 minutes, and I'm actually surprised that it's been this quick. Nah, I ain't trying to hear that. I am not trying to hear that. Are you not? Is Kami the only one that got hit with an ad? Did you not get hit with an ad, Juliet? Oh, I'm about to say, y'all was getting ads at the same time. Yo, Macy, are you on a PC that got ad block? Because it don't seem like you get hit with the ads. Or do you just not comment about it? If you don't respond, then I know you in the ad too. You just ain't been saying shit about it. But yeah, hope you guys have been enjoying the video so far. I've actually had a really good time. I think I want to do more open mic videos. I actually, you know what I'm saying? I do like the open mic videos. You know, the open mics, especially, I don't know, I'm kind of fucking with the long videos that have multiple songs in one thing. I think I like that. If you guys could suggest me more groups or more times they've done stuff like this, because I did one with BTS, and I think this is the only other one that I've done. Now, I think I did that BTS one twice on my channel without even realizing it too, which is crazy. You're back. Everybody's back. Juliet, you back? I don't know if Juliet's back yet. Guys? Oh, I thought the ads consumed y'all for a second. Alright. Thought y'all got sent to the gulag.
No one, nobody can stop me. 수많은 너가란 똥딱지.
Jump up like a pop-up to salute.
Working all time, that ratio got us going worldwide. Thirsty day night, they put us in a desert but we survive. Busy keeping our light, oh like they were getting all the spotlight. Listen to the world cry.
Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Hip hip, hooray! Hip hip, hooray! Hip hip, hip hip.
Oh.
Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Ceremony. Hip hip, hip hip, hip hip, hey! Whoa, ceremony. Hip hip, hip hip, hip hip, hip, ceremony.
Fuck the fuck. Okay. Okay, in my
자,
head.
여러분 오늘 딩고에서 인사드리는
Wait a
마지막
minute. Mixie, how many times have you heard this to know what the last two songs on this shit are?
곡입니다. In My Head라는 곡이고요. 이번 저희 발매된 카드 앨범의 수록곡이니까 많이 들어주시고 스트레이키즈도 많이 좋아해 주세요 좀. 계속 비우세요. Everything I've done it all 사랑의 따뜻한 널 느껴봤지. But I'm gone. Where is mama headed for? 두통이 심한 날 I messed up in my head. Ah yeah, ah yeah. 못 같은 일상에 Ah yeah, ah yeah. When will it ever change? 도대체 왜 이러는지 모르겠어. I messed up in my head. Ah yeah, ah yeah.
Everybody.
I messed up in my head. Ah yeah.
You watched a BTS guide video so many times. What? Is it the same ones that I've reacted to?
Ah yeah. 못 같은 일상에 Ah yeah, ah yeah. I messed up in my head. Ah yeah, ah yeah. 못 같은 일상에 Ah yeah, ah yeah. Let's go. I messed up in my head. Ah yeah, ah yeah. I know I messed up in my head. Ah yeah, ah yeah. Will it ever change? 도대체 왜 이러는지 모르겠어. I messed up in.
Am I bugging, or does this song sound like the outro of an album? Or was this the outro of their album? This sounds like a song that would be fire for an outro for an album.
My head, ah yeah, ah yeah. I messed up in my head. GG.
See, nah, he's faking the funk. He's faking the funk. He's faking it.
Ah yeah, I messed up in my head.
It's like it wasn't as deep. I promise you, it's not. That other time he sound like a fucking demon. This time he just sound like a lovable giant. Like, you know what I'm saying? It's a difference between demon and lovable giant. You know what I'm saying?
GG.
예, 감사합니다.
안녕.
I will not gaslight me into thinking that his voice really is that fucking deep. It's not that fucking deep, okay? It's not that deep. He's lying. This guy right here, he's lying to us right now. He's trying to mess with my brain. He's trying to mess with my head, okay? He's trying to make me think he's a demon of some sort in an angel's body. I will not be susceptible to such treachery. But honestly, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Yeah, I genuinely did. If you guys have any other open mic videos of other groups that are this long. I kind of like the mashups of, you know, the different songs that they do, and I see it like it's cool to see how fun they look doing it, because even the last one we did with BTS, that one was cool. Maybe. But yeah, again, hope y'all enjoyed. Hope you guys continue to come for more. Definitely tune into the streams. I want to stream a lot more consistently. I feel like once I do start streaming a lot more consistently, then I will get more people into the Twitch streams. I need to have more of a schedule so you guys know when I'm streaming, so you guys know, okay, this time at this place, you know, I will be here in the stream. But yeah, continue to just show love. I'm gonna continue to show love for y'all. Thank y'all for, you know, the support that y'all have given me over this past month. This past month has been amazing. I'm not gonna lie. I've had so much fun doing YouTube over this past month, and you know, it's been allowing me to continue. I've been doing this since 2019. I've been doing this since 2019, which is crazy. I've been doing this since 2019. I'm only at 6K. I've taken a lot of breaks. I've had a lot of hardships. I've done a lot of stops, but you know, I'm at a point right now where there ain't no stopping, and I'm not taking my foot off the gas, no way, no how. I thank y'all for tuning into the streams and being a part of the videos that I create, and you know, allowing me to even come into this space and learn the space and learn the music, and you know, not judge. Even though some of y'all do judge from, you know, me not knowing a lot about, you know, some of these creators, you know, but you was in 8th grade? Are you serious? Old man is crazy. You know what? I'm ending this goddamn video, man. I ain't no fucking old man. I love y'all though. I'm gonna catch y'all next video, man. It's your boy Sway. We out of here.
Let's get right, 88.
It's that trench music. Can't feel my pain unless you've been through it. Gotta be rapping about shit that I've been doing. Rest in peace to my brothers I've been losing.